this one we'll be doing setting up a virtual private network. Now this is just a way of accessing your network, let's say securely, right? So let's say you are at a public space such as a library and you want to access your network. You want to do that using a VPN, right? So let's begin. Let's sign into our server machine. And we're going to head straight into Server Manager. Let's go manage, add roles and features, and click next, next, next. Same usual procedure here. So wait for that to load up. Alright, what we're going to do here is look for remote access. Alright, we'll click next, next, next. This option we're going to choose direct access and VPN. We're going to add the features, click next, and we could click restart, yes, and click install. Right, we'll be back when this has finished its installation process. Okay, so what we're going to do is open this getting started wizard. Okay, here we're going to choose deploy VPN only. Right, here we are just going to configure and enable routing and remote access. So let's click that, click next. Going to choose custom. Next, you click VPN access here, click next and finish. Right, and we have the option to start service, so let's do that. Okay, after here we are going into properties. Okay, start it up. Enter into properties. Let's go to IP version 4, static address pool. So we're just going to set up an address pool for our VPN. So we're going to use 192.168.1.10, and we're going to go to 192.168.1.20. So we have 11 number of addresses there, so click OK and click apply. Right, so we go here, you can see ports, right, and you can see remote client access clients, so no one is on it right now. Okay, as you can go here, all tasks, you can restart. Right, so from here now, let's click on remote access login and policies. Let's right click and launch MPS. So that's the network policy server. Let's go to network policies and let's enable these policy names here. Right, let's enable these policies. So let's go properties, grant access, click apply. And let's go connection to other access servers, properties, grant access, click apply, click OK. Alright, so that's it for now on our server machine. Let's go over to our client machine and set up a few things. Alright, so let's go over. But before we do that, let's go to Active Directory and computers and give Janet permission. So let's go properties, let's go to dial in, let's allow access, click apply, let's go to members of and add Janet to remote. Check name, let's add it to remote desktop user. Alright, so let's click OK. click OK again and click apply. Click OK here. Right, so let's head over to Glandish now. Okay, so let's log in as Janet. So and remember Janet's password. Okay. Right. Okay, what you're going to do is head straight over to Windows Defender. Okay, administrative privileges here. So Alright, we're gonna go to inbound rules. I'm gonna click new rule. Right, and first we're gonna set up this. We're gonna click port. Leave it on TCP, and we're gonna specify that port, which is 1723. I'm gonna click next. We're going to allow the connection. Click next. I'm gonna leave that as is. The name is TCP. I'm gonna click finish. I'm gonna add another rule. I'm gonna go to custom. Click next. Leave that. I'm gonna change this to GRE. Right, which is basically a protocol called generic routing encapsulation. Right, so let's click next. Leave that as is. Click next. Next again. Leave as is, and we're going to rename this GRE. Click finish. Okay, so that's good. We can minimize this. Alright, let's head over to VPN settings. Let's click add VPN. We're going to go through adding this. So let's name our VPN. GA VPN. Right, let's give it our server IP address. Right, we're gonna change this to point-to-point tunneling protocol and click save. Okay, so let's attempt to connect to VPN. Let's click connect. Log in as administrator. Alright, and now the moment of truth. Okay, right, that was pretty fast, and we are connected to our VPN. Alright, so you can see the connection properties, all that we typed in, and it's good. Okay, so alright guys, so again, thank you for watching this series of platforms. It was great having you here. Feel free to like and subscribe, and hopefully in the future we can have more videos like this. Okay, so for now, take care. God blessings. Later.